I just went to the shops. I got this ottoman, pretty cute. I finished Zodiac Academy. It was a 2 stars. I don't know, I couldn't take this book seriously. It was just like the main character being called Tori Vega. How am I supposed to take that seriously? There was so much sexual harassment in this book. No plot, just sexual harassment. Just getting harassed every single day. That was the entire book, basically. I'm reading Chamber of Secrets. I'm gonna have such a good time reading this book, I can already tell. So I read them all before, but it's time to do a reread because I love it so much. And I think what I'm also gonna do is read this series. I think I'm gonna read Chamber of Secrets, then this is the second Throne of Glass book. Then I'll read the next Harry Potter book, which will be Prisoner of Azkaban. And if I enjoyed this book, then I'll read the next book after it as well. And then I'll just keep going. I'll read one Harry Potter book, then I'll read one of that series book if I do like it, because I already know I love Harry Potter. I also bought this book as well. I'm so out of breath. I don't know what this book is about, but I'm ready to find out. I just thought, why not? It looks cute. So yeah, that's the situation.